Assalamualaikum. Today we want to present about case study in subject Introduction to Human Resource Management. Before we start presentation, let me introduce yourself first. My name is Nur Fatina Bila binti Muhammad Zabidi. Nombor metrik 10 DPM 22F 2500.
Hello, my name is Dachanin Devi, daughter of Ravi. My metric number is 10 DPM 23F 1072.
My name is Kishore from DPM3A. My metric card number is 10 DPM 23F 1074.
Today I want to talk about task 1. The task 1 is about the image contains information about issues that the National Union of Bank Employees (NUBE) is addressing with banks in Malaysia in 2024. NUAB has raised concerns about union busting, tactics by banks, fair wages, workplace safety, CEO salaries, misuse of the HRDF fund, disputes with Maybank and nationwide protests. Below are explanations and answer to the question provided. Question 1. Union busting tactics. What specific action have NUBE identified as union busting tactics by banks, and how do these actions impact employee morale and union membership? The answer is NUBE has identified several union busting tactics allegedly used by banks, which aim to weaken union influence and discourage employees from participating. The key actions include: first key is blocking access to training. Banks are accused of preventing employees from attending essential training sessions. This tactic creates a fear among employees that participating in union activities may lead to missed professional growth opportunities. The second key is restricting career and advancement. Employees involved in union activities reportedly face limitation in career progression, such as fewer promotion and benefits. This discourages workers from joining or staying active in the union. This tactic negatively affect employee morale by fostering an environment where workers feel unsupported and even penalized for union involvement. As a result, union membership and engagement decrease, as employees may distance themselves from union activities to safeguard their careers. Question 2. Fair wages and benefit. In what ways has NUBE advocated for fair wages and benefits for bank employees, and what challenges does the union face in negotiation these demands with bank management? The answer is NUBE has been actively advocating for fair wages and comprehensive benefits to ensure that bank employees receive equitable compensation. Their advocacy includes the first one is demanding fair pay. NUBE is pushing for wages that reflect the effort, skills and contribution of bank employees, arguing that current salaries are insufficient. Second, seeking comprehensive benefits. NUBE is calling for benefits that enhance the financial, health and overall well-being of bank employees. NUBE face significant challenge in negotiation these demands, primarily due to resistance from bank management, who may prioritize cost-cutting measures over wage increase. Additionally, there can be disagreements on what constitutes fair wages and benefit, making it difficult for NUBE to reach a mutual agreement with the banks.
Today I am going to explain about the question 3, that is Safe Workplace Initiative. Addressing workplace issues, NUB, National Union of Bank Employees, can tackle bullying, discrimination and harassment by implementing strict policies and providing a reporting mechanism for employees. This could include confidential hotlines, designated support officers, and clear disciplinary action for offenders. Proactive measures by banks. Banks can adopt regular training programs on diversity, equity, and inclusion, conduct anonymous surveys to assess workplace culture, and create safe spaces for employees to voice concerns. Regular workshops and policies review can also help ensure a safe work environment.
CEO salaries and income disparity. Implications of high CEO salaries. Large disparities between CEO salaries and average employees' wages may lead to dissatisfactions, reduced morale, and potential distrust in leadership among bank employees. It can impact organizational culture, creating a perception that the company value top-level executives over their employees. NUB's role. NUBs could use these issues to negotiate for better working conditions, fair wages adjustments, or bonuses for low-level employees. Highlighting the income gap might provide leverage in advocating for equitable compensation policies and additional employee benefits. HRDF mismanagement. Purpose reforms for HRDF. NUB might advocate for stricter oversight, transparent allocations of funds, and better governance of human resource development funds. This can include proposals for an independent review board or regular audits to ensure that refunds are used effectively to benefit employees. Role of stakeholders. Government. Establish regulatory frameworks and provide oversight to ensure the HRDF serves its intended purpose. For employees, contribute to and responsibly utilize HRDF fund to support employees' training and development. For unions, monitor the allocations and use of fund, advocate for members' interests, and ensure funds are directed towards meaningful employee benefits.
Next, I want to talk about task 2. The task 2 meaning about the question is based on the efforts by QPEX to improve the salary structure for civil servants in Malaysia. QPEX has proposed 4 main changes aimed at enhancing the pay and overall work condition for civil servants. These proposals are set to be implemented once the Public Service Remuneration System Study (SSPA) is complete. The main issues that QPEX want to address include: 1 is minimum wage. Number 2 is service grades. Number 3 is annual salary increments, and the last one is promotion period. Question 1. Minimum wage increase. What impact would the proposed increase in the minimum wage for civil servants from RM 1,200 ringgit to RM 1,800 ringgit have on the overall moral and productivity of public service employees. For question 1, it asks for an explanation of the impact of raising the minimum wages from Rm1,200 ringgit to Rm1,800 ringgit on the overall motivation and productivity of employees in public service. The answer is the increase in the minimum wage from Rm1,200 ringgit to Rm1,800 ringgit is expected to have a positive impact on civil servants' morale, especially in reducing their financial stress. With a higher salary, civil servants are likely to lead a more comfortable life in line with the current cost of living. This not only improves their financial well-being but also motivates them to enhance their work performance. Moreover, civil servants who feel valued and experience less financial burden tend to be more productive in their tasks. This higher productivity can ultimately contribute to better service quality for the public, aligning with the government's goal of improving the efficiency of the public service sector.
Next, I'm going to explain about the question 2, that is service grade reform. For example, career progression and job satisfaction. Commencing service grades at grade 19 could provide a more standardized and structured approach to career development. Civil servants might feel a stronger sense of progression and fairness, knowing there's a clear starting point for career advancement. This could increase job satisfaction, but challenges might include resistance from current employees who may feel disadvantaged or uncertain about the changes and the administrative complexity of restructuring grades across civil service roles. The third question is annual salary increment, retention and motivation. For example, annual salary increment help retain employees by providing a sense of reward and recognition for their tenure and performance. A well-structured increment system can improve motivation as employees look forward to periodic financial growth. Any changes to this system should ensure that increments align with cost of living increases to maintain motivation. A lack of sufficient increments could hinder morale, whereas performance-based increment might encourage productivity but could also lead to competition or stress if not managed well.
Promotion periods, impact on professional development and career aspirations. Lengthy promotion period may demotivate civil servants, especially those who are aiming for career growth. Delays and advancement could discourage younger or more ambitious employees, impacting their career aspirations and possibly pushing them toward private sector roles. KPEX can advocate for faster merit-based promotions, encouraging a more dynamic promotion system that rewards skill and performance, ensuring that deserving employee progress in their career without prolonged waiting period. Cost of living considerations, rising living cost and salary structure. As the cost of living rises, revised salary structure become essential to ensure civil servants can afford basic needs and maintain their quality of life. Without adjustments, they may struggle financially, affecting moral and productivity. The government can implement measures such as inflation linked by adjustments, cost of living allowance, or periodic reviews to align compensations with economic conditions, ensuring that employees' purchasing power remains stable.